Open your notebooks, sit with your pen, pencil, eraser. Put today's date. Good morning, everyone. Once again, good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Open your new fresh page. Write today's date. Write chapter number. Write chapter name. Write question number 1. Find the volume of the following. In question number 1, there are 2 sums I'm going to give you today, where length is 9 millimeter, breadth and width is same, 7 millimeter, height is 6 millimeter. Children, when you write the final unit, you should please check all these units should be same. Here all are same, then only it will come in millimeter, cubic millimeter or millimeter cube, right? When all are not same, you need to convert them. Next sum is length is 12.5 centimeter, breadth is 10 centimeter. I am writing height of this question number 2 here. HEIGHT, height equals to
Renu ma'am,
8
this has to be
centimeter.
copied in the notebook, right?
Yes. They have to solve.
Vivan, did you hear?
Vivan, every day, ma'am, has to tell you.
I don't understand this boy only. Now he has left the meeting.
And please don't allow him to join, ma'am, now.
Yash Malhotra, are you there on your place? Yesterday
Find
also
the
Yash Malhotra
volume.
went away.
One more child is moving. Vrushika, please sit properly at your place.
Okay.
Whether you are from the mobile or the laptop or any device, everybody start your camera. Don't give excuses.
Vivan is here now. Vivan, are you writing? Or should I talk to your mother? I can see her. Or I can talk to her. Please switch on your camera.
Blur. Ma'am, we have to write side into side, no. When we are finding area. Blur.
You are learning area, Devanshi?
No, ma'am, but you told no, that's fine.
What I told?
In the beginning that...
Which shape is this? There are 3 different dimensionals, length, breadth and height, and their measurement also different. Which shape is this, Devanshi?
Ma'am, cuboid.
Cuboid. So what is the formula of finding the cuboid, volume of a cuboid?
Ma'am, length into breadth into height.
So find it out by writing the formula. Once you're done with these 2 sums, please write the answer in the chat box. And each and every child, I can see here 34 are there, including 2 teachers. So 32 students will write the answers in the chat box of both the questions.
Prithvi, Prakriti, Om, Rudra, Sara, Arav, Swara, and Dhruvi, start your camera, all of you. See now, ma'am, everybody's cameras is working.
Yes, ma'am, I know.
What, you are closing the camera and dancing behind it or what? Rudra Chalodia, even Prakriti, Eva.
Arush, turn on in camera, please.
Prithvi.
Do this. Ma'am, your hand is covering the second question.
Now you can see.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, what is length?
In which question?
No, ma'am, I was just saying that it was blurred, so I cannot see.
Now it is okay?
Yes, ma'am, it is getting blurred, then again clear, then blurred, then again clear.
It may go like this maybe. Sometimes, okay?
ma'am.
First length is 9 millimeter. Breadth and width is 7 millimeter. Height is 6 millimeter. Find the volume.
Ma'am, and first one is the first question. 338 cubic.
My dear, I will check the answer later on because right now I will not give answer is right or wrong. I will check later on. You have to show me your notebook that you all are doing. Kanan, Lunia. Kannan,
Ma'am,
will you sit at one
Ma'am.
place?
ma'am, I'm taking the book. That's
My dear, how much time you need to settle down?
Excuse me.
Yes.
Ma'am, can you shift your board to side? I can't see the second sum. Yeah.
Now visible?
Yeah, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, in the second one, length is 12.5 or
12.5 centimeter.
Ma'am, can you
Breadth
Okay,
is
ma'am.
10 centimeter.
camera because your screen is blurred.
My dear, it may be a network
Ma'am, my
issue, maybe
answer
from
is
your side,
378.
maybe from my side.
No,
So
ma'am.
please,
Your screen is
fine only, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
I also got my book.
this every time happen with these students whenever we give something to write.
Ma'am, my first sum.
Wait a minute, let me see. Pin on you. Krushika, wait. You have to write formula. Vivan, you have to do it in a systematic way. You cannot do the rough work here. Rough work will go to your right hand side.
Ma'am, Seema, you can see it?
Pranchu, wait. So Vivan, are you listening me? Vivan, multiplication all will go to the rough side. Here
Yes,
on
ma'am.
the fresh page, you have to write the formula first. And then you
Ma'am,
write
can
the
I show
final
mine?
answer. You should learn how to solve these sums. Not only by Pranch. Who is this interrupting in between? Pranchu, I will not see now. Thank you.
I'm Pranchu.
Thank you. My dear children, you should know how the steps will go. How you have to solve this in a steps. First, you have to write the formula for this finding. Then you have to do the rough work of multiplication to your right hand side. And then write the final answer here. Yes, Pranchu, now show me please. Pranchu, nothing is visible. Yes, show me now. Pranchu, nothing is visible. Nothing.
His
Om
camera
Patel,
is
I don't know.
too much blurred.
It's completely blurred, Pranchu. You please write these steps in the, wait a minute, I'm looking to. This is Arna. Okay. Arna, you have done. Let me see, length into breadth into height. Okay. My dear, the multiplication part which you are doing here in the fair work, that should go in the rough work.
Okay, ma'am.
Am I clear?
Yes.
Ma'am, see mine I have done too.
Yes, Mannat. Wait a minute, I'll pin you. Very good. This is the way I need. But Mannat, where is the formula?
Ma'am, I have written it.
Where? In the first one, I cannot see the formula. In the second one also, I cannot see the formula.
Ma'am,
Yes.
my first one.
Who is showing me?
Ma'am,
Aheli. Okay.
Ma'am, my
Aheli, just put a notebook again. Yes, yes. This is the way I need. Very good. Cubic is not there.
Can you see mine too?
Yeah, ma'am. I'll just add it.
Yes. Dhruvi.
I
Very- Okay. Both are done. Next also done. Devanshi, wait, I'll pin you.
Ma'am, can you see mine?
Nothing is visible, Devanshi. Nothing. Completely blurred.
Dhruvi.
Yes, Dhruvi. Where are you? Yes.
Ma'am, Anubhavi.
Very good. Dhruvi has drawn the cuboid also, and then she is done. Very good. Good.
Ma'am, my one.
Wait a minute, Jash. Where is Jash? Jash, I cannot see you. Where are you?
Just can I show you, Nishika?
Huh. Nishika, show me.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Nishika, but where is the formula you have written? Yes, you have written. Okay. But when you have written formula, under that, when you have written the values like 9 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 6, in these numbers, you have to put the unit also. The unit is millimeter, right? So 9 millimeter multiplied by 7 millimeter multiplied by 6 millimeter. You cannot remove the unit. You can't write only the numbers here.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, your hand is hiding the
Okay.
solution.
Those who have not done, for them I am solving it here.
Pranshu, mute yourself, Pranshu.
Ma'am, can you check my second answer? I have written.
I am doing the solution now. Wait, check from board now. Solution. First of all, when you write the sum, your length, breadth and height should be there. Then you write the formula. Because it's a cuboid, because all the dimensionals are different. Length of all the dimensional is different. So we write length multiplied by breadth multiplied by height. First formula we will write. Then we write what is the length. 9 millimeter. We cannot remove the unit from here. We have to write the unit here also. Breadth is 7 millimeter. Height is 6 millimeter. So when you multiply all these together, 378 millimeter square. And the multiplication, if you don't know direct multiplication, please multiply them in the rough work. And children, remember when you are only multiplying these two units, if you are confused, if you're not able to multiply all the numbers together, you first multiply these two and write. 9 7 9s are, or 9 7s are, what will be the answer?
63.
63 millimeter. What unit I will put millimeter along with anything will come?
Cubic millimeter.
No,
or
your cubic will not come because the third unit is not multiplied till now. Till now we only got the area. Only we have multiplied the length and breadth. You have learned in the area that. Wait a minute. Area of a square only we got till now. Length multiplied by breadth. So only we will put square, because till now we got the area of a
Cuboid.
yes
Rectangle.
area of a rectangle, not cuboid, right? So now when you multiply it with the 6,
Ma'am, I work. Ma'am,
now you will get 378 millimeter cube, because third unit also now multiplying. Okay, understood now?
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, in the first one I did directly, means 9
It's
multiplied by
okay,
7
but I am
But
telling
in
you, if
second
sometime you get the area, don't get confused. If you get the area and I say to multiply it with the height, will it be possible to get the volume? Yes, it is possible to get the volume if area is given, area of a rectangle is given, or area of a square is given. It is possible from area you can find out the volume also. Okay, understood now?
Ma'am,
Yes.
Yes.
if it's 125 in the second one, it will be 112.5. It will be it will convert to 125, right?
Yes. But don't remove the decimal when you are writing here. Remove the decimal when you are doing the rough work.
Okay.
Here you have to write.
Okay.
Ma'am, can I show my second one?
Yes, please show the second one. Please write the answer in the chat box.
Ma'am, I have written in the chat box.
So here, this is also the
Ma'am,
cuboid,
can you
length multiplied by breadth multiplied by height. So 12.5 centimeter multiplied by 10 centimeter multiplied by the height is 8 centimeter. So when you multiply this in the rough work, you will get 125. 12.5 multiplied by the 10 is 125 centimeter square. Then you multiply with the 8. What is the answer? Tell me.
Ma'am, it's 100.0.
1000 centimeter cube or cubic centimeter.
Thousand.
It will be 10,000. It will be
Ma'am, can I
10,000
show mine?
centimeter. It will be 10,000.
Wait a minute. Let me do.
10,000 centimeter cube.
Wait, let me do.
1,000.0 centimeter.
Yes, then it will be 1000 only.
Ma'am, can I show you mine?
Yes, please, Dhruvi. Where are you? Let me pin. Show me. Yes.
Ma'am, can I show you mine? Ma'am, now also it's coming 10,000.
Means you have not put the decimal.
Ma'am, it's right 10,000 only.
Ma'am,
Vrushika,
It will not come 10,000, my dear. You have to put the decimal also. Because first,
1,000.0.
yeah, so 0.0 after decimal. If there is a 0, is there a value?
Ma'am, 1,000.0. Ma'am,
So the answer is 1000
Vrushika.
centimeter cube.
1,000, ma'am. It's 1,000.
Yes. I will go to the next.
Excuse
Renu,
me, ma'am. Can you explain
Yes, ma'am.
me? I didn't understand. the next method? Ma'am, can you
Vrushika, decide whether you want to eat or you want to sit in the maths class.
Rushika, please.
Stop eating. Vrushika, don't make faces. I have already pinned you. I am seeing you eating biscuit, beta.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, can you explain the second sum? I didn't understand.
My dear child, Vishal, you were there in my last class yesterday.
Yes, ma'am. I was there.
I told you how to multiply the decimal numbers.
Ma'am, can you? Yes, ma'am. But I didn't understand. I got it.
Have you done my yesterday's worksheet?
Yes, ma'am. I have done yesterday's work.
So why there is a problem now into today's one sum only?
Ma'am, because I'm getting 10050, not 100.
Have you multiplied 12.5 multiplied by 10 first?
Yes, ma'am.
So what have you considered 12.5 as by when you are removing the decimal? What you have considered that number?
125.
125.
1,250.
1250 will come, right? But now when
Yes,
you
ma'am.
put the decimal, because it's the one after one value, after the decimal there is only one value. So from the
Yes,
back
ma'am.
when you count one number and put the decimal. Now what is the number you are getting?
125.
So after getting 125, you multiply it with the 8. What will be the answer?
Ma'am, I have to check.
Now you understood how to remove the decimals and
Ma'am,
how
can
to
you
put
see
the
my I have
decimals.
also, ma'am?
ma'am,
Please, my dear, I have to go to the next sum also. Please do it.
Excuse me, ma'am. Can you see my?
My dear, later now.
the chat box.
As I told you to write the answer in the chat box. Because there are 46 students. Okay.
Ma'am, I got the same answer that
Okay. You have to check the answer from the board now.
I
Okay.
have got the same.
Write the next question. Question number 2. Please mute your mic, Kishana.
Yes, ma'am.
Calculate or find is the same thing. Calculate the volume for each of the following. As I was earlier focusing on area, if area is given and the height is given, and how to find the volume. So now I will give you the information. First sum is area is given to you. Area is 25 square centimeter. Or you can write it as meter square. area is this and the height is this. 5 meter. Find the volume of this figure if area is given. Which figure is this? Area also given.
Ma'am,
Because area. Who is saying?
It's a cube.
How cube? Huh?
Cube.
Yes. Now find the, when height is given here, find the volume. What is the volume? What is the volume of this figure?
Ma'am, I got
And write the answer in the chat
the
box.
answer.
Write the answer in the chat box without unmuting your mic or without switch on your mic. And I am expecting from everyone. Poor, if you don't write unit, your answer is wrong.
Ma'am,
Vrushika, ask in chat box.
ma'am,
Dashrupareli, I am not asking only the unit. And those who are without seeing that sum, if they are writing centimeter, then also the answer is wrong. You have to pay attention which unit is used here.
Ma'am, I will write meter because in first I have written centimeter, so I have now written meter.
Okay. Once you have done, Vrushika, you please do the solutions. Means here when the area is given, length and breadth is multiplied already in the area. Length and breadth is already included in the area. And the third dimension is, third side is, that is height.
excuse me, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes.
I will send you worksheet you have got tomorrow. I have sent.
My dear, I will check and let you know.
Area multiply by height
Ma'am,
because
can I share
Yes.
mine?
it is already
I
done.
will not check. Please write in the chat box. Yes, Ishana, I got.
Ma'am, I have.
I will read the names later on. Please write in the chat box. Faster. One more sum I need to give you. Based on the same only. Area is 148 centimeters square. And the height is 16 centimeter. Find the volume. There are two sums. Yash Malhotra. Yash Malhotra, please do work.
Ma'am, I cannot see the second one.
Please do it faster now. Already area is given. How to find the volume? So the answer of first one, I'm only writing the answer of first one is 125 meters cube. And the answer of second is, please write in the chat box, then only I will write.
Ma'am, I have written.
2368 centimeter cube. Yes. Faster, I will move ahead to the next now. Please do fast.
I'm done.
Don't say done. Don't, I say no. Please do not switch on your mics. Yes, very good. If you're showing me thumbs up, Preet, good. And please write the answer in the chat box. I'm expecting from everyone to write the answers in the chat box. Good, Anubhavi, good.
Ma'am, can I show you my book?
No, no, please. Later on, I'll see. Please. Pranchum, yes, good. Aryan, not Aryan. Or any difficulty? Your hand is raised.
No,
Can you
ma'am. It was
lower,
my mistake.
lower down then? Aheli, any problem? Your hand is raised. Okay, good. I will go to the next now. Now we will do some word problems.
Yes, ma'am. Word
We have to
problem.
also write
Write
the statement.
I'll let you know. Write the heading word problems. Next, the new page. Open the new page. Write the heading word problems, or it called story problems, or it called real life situation problems when you face. Question number 1 is, there is a boy. The name of a boy is Joy. The name of a boy is Joy. Joy is having an aquarium. You all know what is aquarium?
Ma'am, it is a boy and joy is a rhyming word.
Yes. So name of a boy is Joy. He is having an aquarium at home. What is aquarium?
Ma'am,
Where all the fishes
A place where all the sea animals are there.
Excellent, my dear children. If you give all the answers, everyone will give the answer same. At home also we keep when we keep
Yes, ma'am.
small fishes, small aquarium we can keep at home, but the big aquariums are also there outside when you go to see. So, but this boy is a fish aquarium at home, and the measures are, measure means the dimensional length is 125 centimeter by 68 centimeter by 45 centimeter. Then these are the dimensionals. So that's why word by is used. 125 centimeter by 68 centimeter by 45 centimeter. So these are, what is the shape of the aquarium? What is the shape?
Cuboid.
Cuboid. Yes. So now find. Will it be easy to find the volume? What is the volume of aquarium? Find it out.
We have to
So
write
in this,
statement.
you have to write the statement also. Always remember, in word problems, story problems, you have to write the statement also.
Ma'am, after aquarium, what you have written?
Joy aquarium measures, MEASURES, measures. I'll write small. Please do little faster. Aquarium measures, MEASURES, measures. 125 centimeter by 68 centimeter by 45 centimeter. What is the volume of an aquarium? Of the aquarium. Please find out the answer and write it in the chat box.
Ma'am, 68
Excuse
centimeter.
me, ma'am.
What number is written?
125 centimeter, 68 centimeter, 45 centimeter. Fine.
Excuse me, Renu ma'am.
Yes, Preet.
Ma'am, your screen is going blur after every 2 minutes.
Just a minute, then I log into the next ID. So wait a minute.
I can see it clearly, ma'am.
I can also.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, I can also.
Ma'am, I can also.
Okay, fine. Stop writing. I think ma'am is connecting into some other connection.
Now, please,
So I don't make noise.
ma'am, now it's okay.
Ma'am, it is already clear. We can see you very
Ma'am, it is
clearly.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Please, children, continue.
Renu ma'am.
Wait, beta.
Yeah.
Just solve it and write your answers in the chat box.
Write your answer in the chat box.
Ma'am, if you are making
382500 and 383. Haji, yes, I Haley.
ma'am, if I'm making statements and if I don't know the height and length and breadth, so I can write any number, any
No, but
digit as the height and length.
no, it is given, no? Length, breadth, and height.
Ma'am, only one.
Yes, but it's not mentioned now which digit is the height and which digit is the.
125 centimeter is
Say-
the length.
Length, this is length, this is breadth, this is height.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, can you see my word problem?
No, please write in the chat box.
Ma'am, I have written.
Ma'am, I have written.
I can see Nishika has written. Rushika, answer is wrong. You need to practice on multiplication. Arna is right. Purv, you need to practice on multiplication. Mannat, wrong. Jashrupalela, right.
Ma'am, the first one I wrote from mistake, then I wrote again.
Okay. Now the answer is when you multiply length into height. Daksh Patel, please mute your mic.
Okay, ma'am.
So the answer is 382500 centimeter cube. If your answer is this, your answer is right. Otherwise, multiply again and
Also got that answer only.
good.
382500.
Good, good. If you got good, I need to do more sums, my dear. Done. I'm going to erase it now. Or take the screenshots. I'm going to erase it now.
Ma'am,
Yes, Josh.
Daksh Patel is copy and pasting the answers in chat box.
No, ma'am.
I will take care. Just Ruparelia, you take care your work. Okay. Now, before going to the next word problem, I want to explain you something. Like, if example length is given 8 centimeter, breadth is given 10 centimeter, and the volume is given. Please pay attention. If this is new topic, Devanshi, when you don't pay attention, you will not understand this. Then you face the difficulty. This is new thing which I am going to explain you. Here length is given, breadth is given. What is the third side we need? Height. Which is not given.
Ma'am, we have put height in the place of wall. Ma'am, we have put volume in the place
We
of
have
height.
to multiply length and
I
breadth.
will let you know. I will let you know what to do.
Can I tell you,
Yes, Nishika.
ma'am, that what we have to do in this sum?
Ma'am, answer will become 8, ma'am. 8, 80 is the 560. 80 is the 560.
All are excellent, right? Means you don't need the teacher to explain. You please wait for the turn. And silently listen. Josh Ruparelia.
Ma'am is
Josh, why are you speaking
by
in between?
mistake
Ma'am
it's
needs to
open.
explain, na?
Ma'am, yes, ma'am. But by mistake, it's open. The
Yeah,
mic.
please.
My dear children, here there are 40 to 45 students are there. Everyone need to understand what the ma'am is going to explain. So please pay attention here. When this kind of situation comes, when any of the dimensional is missing and the side is missing, like length, LENGTH. any of like length, if length is missing or the breadth is missing or the height is missing, anything is missing and the volume is given to you, then in that case what you will do, you write the formula that volume equals to length into breadth into height. Volume is given, so whatever is given to you, you write that. Volume is given, that is 560 millimeter cube, and the length is given to you 8 meter, and the breadth is given to you, that is 10, sorry, all are in meters, 10 meter, but height is not given. In that place you only write height, h, because that is not given. Whichever the value, in suppose somewhere the breadth is missing, in that case what you will do, so wherever the value is missing, in that case you only write that number, write that letter. B or H is missing, so write H is missing, we write only H, we don't write anything here, any number, no, because nothing is given to us. Now we have 560 as the volume and we have length into breadth. You know that length into breadth is the area. Yes, when you multiply length in the breadth, you first write, next step is also that same, copy it down, volume. Now next step to solve this multiplication, 8 into 10 is 80 meter square. Don't unmute your mic, please. Here it will be meter square because 2 units you are multiplying, you are multiplying 2 values, that is length into breadth you are multiplying, and it will be 80 meter square. Again multiply sign and the h will come alone. Now what will happen? This h will go, this you all know left, this is the left, after equals to, this is the left hand side, this is the right hand side. Now bring the h here alone, put a equal to sign, write the volume 560. I will do this step up because you will not able to understand. You don't have, I don't have a space here. After multiplying these values which are given to us, now what next step is, we bring the h here, then we put the equal to sign. Whatever the value is missing, if the breadth is missing, we bring the breadth this side. If the height is missing, we bring the height this side and we find the height. So whatever we need to find, we bring it before the equal to sign because we need to find the height right now. Height equals to what? The height equals to 560 means volume upon the area. Volume upon area. Height कैसे निकालेंगे is volume divided by area. So here the volume is 560 divided by the area, that is 80, and this is in meter cube, this is a meter square. So from meter square, because here are 3 meters, 2 meters, so from this to this will cancel, only 1 meter is remaining. Understood till now? There are 3 meter units, there are 2 meter units, so from 2 to 2 cancel, only 1 meter is remaining. Now what is next is remaining, unit से unit तो आपने cancel कर दी. What is remaining? This 560 divided by 80. Please do it and find the answer. What will be the answer? 560.
7.
7.
7. So, 7. So what will be the height?
I said
What will be the height in this
Seven.
case? 7.
7.
Not 7 only. 7 meter. 8 meter.
meter.
जा शुरू पढ़े लिया. कल से आप पढ़ाओगे मेरी क्लास में.
Ma'am, I have not seen anything.
Height is 7 meter. I will give you more sums on this practice, then you will able to do this more comfortably. And once you get the value which is missing and you need to find out, then you will able to do the word problems based on that also. Now,
Ma'am, you have to write this.
yes, please write. I'm giving you length here. Length is 8 meter. Breadth is 10 meter. Height is question mark, not given. Volume is given, that is 560 meter cube. This is the information given to you.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Ruchika.
Ma'am, I'm not understanding this last one. After we have brought the h and 560 we have written. After that, I'm not getting understood.
Divide 560 by 80.
Okay.
That is the 7. And cancel the units here because there are 3 meter cube. There are 2 meter cubes. So from 2 to 2 is cancelled. Only 1 meter is remaining. That is why the unit of the height is coming 7 meter.
Okay, ma'am.
Please do this. Then I'll give you one more sum based on this.
Ma'am,
Yes, Tejasvi?
ma'am, I don't understand that meter when you have cut it down.
How many meter cubes are there? Means here are how many meter cubes? 3.
3. Yes,
Here
ma'am.
are square only 2. So from 2, आपके पास एक के पास 3 चीजें, के पास 2 है, 2 से 2 गए, कितनी बची?
1.
So here 2 meter cube square से और मीटर स्क्वायर गया तो इसके पास 1 मीटर बचा कि नहीं? एक यूनिट बची? Whenever there is any missing, then you have to find in this way. Children, now I will give you, yes. Yes, Frishang, your mic is off.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, you were asking something.
Ma'am, if breath is also breath is
In that case, also write breadth here equal to sign, write the volume, write the area. Because then in that case, what you will do, you in that case, breadth multiplied by height will be done, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Wait, I will give you, if everyone has done this sum, then I will explain you that also. In that case, write the volume and write the multiplication answer of breadth and height. And divide it.
Ma'am,
For
I did
example-
not get that.
So,
What?
ma'am. So,
Can I erase this, children?
Yes, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. If suppose the length is not given, for example, okay. If length is not given, breadth is given, that is 12 centimeter. And the height is given 8 centimeter. And the volume is given 480 centimeter square. So in that case also you write the volume formula, volume equal to length into breadth into height. Write the value of the volume 480 centimeter cube. Length is not given, so you write only L. Breadth is given 12. Height is given 8. Put the centimeter also. Multiply now these two numbers, whichever is given to you, and divide it by this. Then the length will come. 12 into 8 is what? 12 multiplied by
84.
8 is what?
84.
Yes, 12 into 8. 12 8 the?
Ma'am, 96.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, so like we are doing the formula.
ma'am,
So, ma'am, when we will write L is equal to dash divided by dash. So 480 centimeter cube divided by what we will write for 120 multiplied by 8?
That is 96. So now you will write length equals to 480 divided by 96, and 96 is coming by centimeter square. This is coming by centimeter cube. So centimeter square से square cancel, तो 1 centimeter बचेगा. And then 480 divided by 96. What is the answer? Do it.
5.
480 divided by 96. 5. So the length is 5 centimeter.
Ma'am, we have to write this also.
Yes, I will send you the worksheet based on this.